Question 13. In passage 1, Beecher implies that women's effect on public life is largely. So let's go to passage 1 where she talks about this interaction. So here in the third paragraph it says, woman is to win everything by peace and love, by making herself so much respected, esteemed, and loved that, people want to be able to do things for women. And it says, but this is all to be accomplished in the domestic and social circle. So Beecher doesn't believe that women should be going out into public and trying to enact change, but that by making themselves, pure and focusing on their duties, then men will be more willing to be influenced by what women want. So here it continues to say, let every woman become so cultivated and refined in intellect. And then later on it says, as that every heart will repose in her presence. Then the fathers, the husbands, and the sons will find an influence thrown about them to which they will yield not only willingly, but proudly. Basically saying that if a woman does her duties correctly, then the men around her in her life will willingly, sort of listen to her. So let's go to our answer choices. A, overlooked because few men are interested in women's thoughts about politics. Now, Beecher does not indicate that, she believes that women's effects are overlooked because men are not interested. That's not what she's saying in this passage. B, indirect because women exert their influence within the home and family life. Now, this is exactly what Beecher says. She says that women have to stay in their sphere, do their work that they're supposed to be doing, and that they will be able to indirectly influence the thoughts of the men around them, like her brother, her father, things like that. C, unnecessary because men are able to govern society themselves. Well, Beecher does mention how women do have some sort of influence, so it's not that they're unnecessary. And she does indicate that their role in society is important. Finally, D, symbolic because women tend to be more idealistic about politics than men are. Now, there's no indication in the passage that Beecher believes women are more idealistic. So the best answer choice supported by the passage is